Kenya.
Kuma mwaka-ini wa 2016 David Maraga akoretwo gicuro-ini gia utongoria ta mucirithania munene guku bururi-ini.
That has just ended in open court.
Cikaro-ini cia igoti tugiru ni igongona ria kumugira uhoro ritabaniirio aria ruguikinyitio igongona-ini riri makimugathiriria na njira nene kumana na wirutiri wake ucamba undumwe na ugiririki munene wira-ini wake.
Not only did you ensure that our service improved as an institution in transforming our organizational culture, you have ensured that we will not drop the ball during this transition.
Kwaurwo matonyo maria koretwo agikira ri wira-ini undumwe na kurutwo namba cia ngari yake ni mamwe ma maria mahanikire kuonania utongoria wake ni wakinya Muthia.
Officially derobed. He'll be officially derobed. The official robes of the Chief Justice are being taken off. It is almost a cyclic journey from the bar to the bench and back to the bar.
Ushaba wa kuruta thirikari mahitia ukaja githurano kia president mwaka-ini wa 2017 na kugitira watho ari hamwe na kuheana utaro kuri president Uhuru Kenyatta wa gufuja bunge ni mamwe ma maria Maraga eguturaririkanagirwo munini wake Philomena Mwilu akiuga ni athomete maingi kuma kuri Maraga.
I shall ensure that we further entrench and build on your legacy, and that the judiciary shall forge ahead and continue its journey of transformation.
He has stood out for the independence of the judiciary and the rule of law.
Naona gutwika thafari yake ndikoretwo iri huthu kuigurwo kwa magoti 22 kundu gutiganite guku bururi-ini undumwe na kuhimbirio kuhuthiri wa mitambo ya kiriu magoti-ini ni mamwe ma maria Maraga eguturaririkanagirwo. Mwilu egukorwo akinyitirira giturwa giki kwa ihinda mbere ya mihango ya gucagura mucirithania munene ihuritwo cabi ni kamiti ya JSC.
Itiina Maraga, thank you for your service.